I walk slow, the night obeys. No need for words, just my gaze. Every secret bends my way. Every sinner fears a great dark blue silence, colder than steel. Shadows tell the truth they conceal. I don't speak, but the echoes stay. My silence cuts deeper every day. They chase crowns, I rule unseen. The gold fades, my night stays clean. No jury, no mercy call, just my shadow against them all. Dark blue silence, colder than steel. Shadows tell the truth they conceal. I don't speak, but the echoes stay. My silence cuts deeper every day. Storms will break. If I move, the ground will shake. No forgiveness, no disguise, only justice behind my eyes. Dark blue silence, colder than steel. Shadows tell the truth they conceal. I don't speak, but the echoes stay. My silence cuts deeper every day. I walk through fire, I've crossed the line. Every scar I bear, it all is mine. The crown